It's a wet and nasty day out to bring my GoPro out there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this plastic bag, little cover up that I found. We put the leftovers in it, you know, put this thing over the leftovers, right? Here we go. You're going to get a dose of this. And, okay. It's one of those little 59-cent cover-ups. Probably not even that. They come in a big old box. Let me know what it looks like. You know, I'm going to get out there and this rain. That's what I did. I got this to cover it up. See, that way it don't get wet. Now I can't tell you if it hears me or not. Can't know if you hear me or not. But it's a nasty day out here in Portland. Really nasty day. And I got the guys on the fence line. I just wanted to show you guys how wet and nasty it is out here in Portland.
Look at that.
But my guys keep pushing through. You know, we've got the fence posts going in. Had to take all this 5-foot chain link fence out. Yeah, and I've been getting more comments about people getting on, about getting my guys in action here, so thought I'd come over here and see what I can get in action here. And so I got one guy standing next to a T-post here, getting ready to do some walking on the fence line. These guys got about a little bit less to go. The other guys go get concrete?
Yep, there it is.
Right on.
Scott's out there.
Yeah.
You're taking a break.
You're looking good, man. Looking good. You guys should be done in about 10 minutes. Yeah, looking good. So now I don't know how this little bag's doing on the GoPro, but it's my first go round with the little 29-cent little piece of plastic on the GoPro. There's my foreman. He's out there. That's right. He's getting
the hat for it.
He's getting it done. Getting it done. All right. Anyway, John a Fix-A-Fence here in Portland, Oregon, on a rainy, windy day, man. I just wanted to give this little plastic thing a test. You guys leave your comments below and let me know if this little plastic thing works for my GoPro. I don't want to spend any more money, you know. Have to get that. I know I got that one, but then you can't hear me, right? Then I have to get a microphone. And then it's wet, nasty. Let me know how I do. All right, guys, keep smiling. Have a great Friday.